Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you what I do with my eggshells instead of throwing them away. I do vermicomposting, so they're fantastic for that, and I'll go through a few reasons why. But to prepare them, you just take the eggshells, stick them in the microwave for about a minute. This will dry out and cook any leftover egg that's inside the eggshells, which makes it unattractive to vermin. It'll also make sure that it kills anything like salmonella or any other bad bacteria that might be inside there. You want to take the eggshells and put them inside a grinder like this. This is just a coffee bean grinder or a herb grinder. You want to stick it in there and you want to grind it up to a very fine powder. Remember, once you have ground this up, the particles that are created here will be very fine, and you don't really want to be breathing in ground up eggshells. It's not going to be too good for you. So give it about a minute before you take the lid off. Ground up eggshells are not only great for your worms, but they also can be used in the garden as a soil additive. It basically is adding calcium to your soil. But for worms, the main reason they like the eggshells is because, number one, they have gizzards, which means they need grit inside their body to be able to process their food. So eggshells add that grit. And number two is it's to help neutralize the acidity inside your worm bin. So when you add too many fruits and things like that, then you can add some eggshells to bring down the acidity levels. And don't forget that the egg box itself is something you can stick inside your worm bin too. Just make sure you take off the sticky label. It's just reconstituted cardboard, paper. So the worms will love it, and you can use it as bedding if you want. They'll actually eat it too, so it'll break down within your bin and be used to add to it. It's great for absorbing moisture in the bin as well. So just sprinkle it out on the top of the bin. You can see here in my bin I have quite a lot of food still on top there, so there'll be quite a bit of moisture as it breaks down. I don't really need to wet it down with a spray bottle like I'm doing here, but it's up to you. Just have a look at your worm bin, just see how dry it is. You don't want it too wet, but you also don't want it too dry. Worms like quite a moist environment. So this way nothing goes to waste, and we're going to get rid of all these egg boxes instead of throwing them in the landfill or even putting them out in recycling. You can reuse them yourself at home. And then to apply your eggshells, it's nice and easy. Every time you feed your worms, just give it a bit of a sprinkle with the eggshells. Keeps things nicely in balance and keeps the worms nice and happy.